This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Rosa Rondinelli. Unbelievable opportunity for something special, a must-see impeccable one-story 4-bedroom, 3-car garage. Walk up to your 8-foot full light deco glass front door to see the spacious open floor plan design with grey plank tile in all of the living areas. The gourmet kitchen has gorgeous pendant lighting and custom drapery with stainless steel appliances featuring 36 42-inch cabinets with upgraded hardware and quartz countertops. The generous laundry room is completed with the laundry tub, and you have a fully fenced yard with no backyard neighbors, so you can enjoy your screened-in back lanai. This home offers a community pool, basketball courts, a playground, dog park and a clubhouse. Ride bikes or walk the South Fork community. Perfectly nestled east of 301 at Big Bend to offer you all of the conveniences you are looking for, and approximately 5 miles from Interstate 75. Travel to explore the beaches, Tampa and MacDill AFB. This home is conveniently close to schools, shopping, restaurants and entertainment with easy commute to TIA or SRQ Airport. This is Florida living at its best. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more information, review the details below.